Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am with Molly, and
Hello.
we are playing Restaurant Tycoon. Yeah, we get these two. So do we start a new one?
What do you want to do? I'm on the end.
Yeah, I'm next to you. Should we start a new one? Ooh,
Yeah.
what type of restaurant? I'm gonna do Italian.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Italian.
Let's both
So
do
second
Italian.
one down.
Yeah, choose. Ooh, which I want like a big one.
I want the glass one.
Yeah, I always get the
I
glass.
love the glass.
Wait, which one is it? Is it this one? There's like two of them, isn't there? Oh no, okay, I know which one it is. Choose. Mamma mia!
Hello.
Your restaurant is
Okay,
empty.
so-
I know how. I don't need the tutorial.
Neither do I.
I don't need it.
Times.
Okay, so first I need to build some things apparently. Oh. Is this all I have? Oh no, my restaurant is gonna look so horrible to start off with.
It always does.
How many tables? I only have 2 tables.
Yeah, you only start with 2 people.
So annoying. Okay. Like yellow and brown, really?
Yeah, also, why the yellow?
Also, my cousin's here.
Why would you do this?
My cousin's just joined the game. We are going to be playing as well. Just gonna put my thing there.
I don't know where to put my counter. 'Cause
Nice
I feel bad
going.
putting
I
something
think
against glass.
I have to now apparently open my restaurant. I want to call it
Placed everything.
Grace's. I called mine Grace's Italian. Okay, so I've opened my restaurant. Click just as to serve
I'm
them.
just gonna leave mine for the moment. Yep, I've just opened mine.
People are sitting there. Okay, so
We're
these.
on table 4
So,
already.
if you don't know what this game is, it's basically where you can literally make your own tycoon. I have actually a good one at this, but like right now we decided to start over. So we are starting another one. Oh, Italian salad, of course. Why? I just ordered it first order. Now walk up behind the cat. I know how to do this. Okay, so space bar, left arrow, up arrow.
How many people have you got?
4. Oh no, more people have came in. Oh
I
god,
know
this.
I've got 2 sets of 4.
There's this random guy that's just. Please get out. I can't even spell. I don't even know. Okay, so I've made a garlic bread all day. What does that mean?
I've made
Down our left
Italian
is the
salad.
right arrow.
And what's this? A garlic bread.
I just made garlic bread. I think we have a different layout, but it doesn't really matter the first. Oh god!
I just put mine
Oh
in
my
the
god!
back.
These they all ordered something. Dang it.
Every time I've done it so far, I've like completely redone mine after a while.
Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, space bar. Up arrow, space bar.
Things I have to actually swipe.
Oh wow. Oh, I just had to make 4 dishes. I gotta just like get the right ones. Cheese pizza's a tiny pizza.
The cheese pizza looks like exactly the same as the garlic bread when they order it.
I think they just use the spaghetti bolognese looks really nice. I mean, it looks a bit weird.
No one's
But
ordered that for me yet. What I wish they did in this game is I wish like just each meal had like a set direction so you could try and memorize the direction.
These people are gonna order a lot, aren't they?
They've ordered a lot of mine.
I'm on my second set of 4 meal. I don't know if that made any sense.
Yeah, I think so.
I think you understood.
I thought, oh, you
I know. I had spaghetti bolognese yesterday.
Lucky I haven't had it in ages because we don't really, because
The
like,
lasagna looks quite nice. It has like a salad.
it won't let me give the bolognese to someone.
Are you actually pressing on them?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh, because one of them wants spaghetti bolognese with meat.
The vegetarian pizza actually looks a bit more like a pizza.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, I think these people are gonna go to the. I wonder what desserts they have for Italian. Oh,
No,
they just
I've
left.
done
They
I've
left.
done English, American, and Japanese.
They just left.
Oh, it's Swedish, I think. They have ice cream.
My people didn't want dessert. Table for 4. Oh, looks like a little girl gang. Is that a boy? No, there's a boy. There's 2 twins. That's kind of terrifying. So yeah, I was saying if you've never played this game, that's weird.
Because they're going for every single course. They're like full on people.
Oh, they all ordered ice cream. It looks so cool above their heads. Oh my god, there's so many meals.
Oh my god. Yeah, same.
Like I have how
yeah.
many? 4, 5, 6. I have 7 meals to make.
It's gonna be like how quick you can earn the money kind of thing.
Yeah.
Left. Right. Right.
Last space left. Up arrow, left arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Down arrow, up arrow, right.
I think I'm gonna move my counter like more towards them because I have to walk so far to get there.
Oops, I did the wrong button. Now left arrow, right arrow, space bar, left arrow. Up arrow. Oh, I don't know how that just happened. Okay. The ice cream looks super weird.
I just made a lot of ice cream. Come on, pay me. £38 for 3 courses. It's worth more than that.
I know it is.
Come on, you will pay me as well.
Giving her the
Oh
ice
yes, I've got that £100.
How do you have £100?
Because 2 people paid me.
Wait, I forgot to make a meal. No. Okay, I made it. I made the garlic bread. I'm so sorry, person. I'm so sorry. First day, I'm sorry. As you can see, this person over there has a drive-through. Wow, they must have been playing a long time. Please leave. Like, hurry up. How do you have that much money? Okay, how much are these people gonna pay? How much? Come on, give me the money. Come on, how much? Oh yeah, I nearly have 100. I have 3 diamonds. They both have good tips so far.
Lucky.
I must be good. Table for 3. Well, I only have a table for 4, so you can sit there.
Oh, that nice thing you can pay.
I need waiters. Or at least a...
Yeah, but it's not worth it yet.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna like get way more chairs.
Because otherwise they're really slow and it's not worth it until you can
Salad.
upgrade them lots.
I want a salad.
You kind of want to just to like get them, upgrade them loads. So
I have to make 5 dishes.
I'm on 7 at the moment.
I've already gone past that
Oh, I just
stage.
got right.
Once I had that. I think I actually I don't know.
Right, left, up, left. Okay.
Right time.
Look, pepperoni pizza is doing whatever. I like how they don't care that you walk over them.
Space. Yeah, they're just like,
It's like, oh yeah, you're walking over me. Oh, cool. My time.
and I'm just like, what?
There's this person that just keeps on walking into my restaurant, and I'm there like, excuse me.
I just said, get out, please. And it would just pull like a weird face, and I was like, excuse me. Cheese pizza. Who ordered the cheese pizza? You? Who ordered?
Isaac does.
I don't see who wants like plain. I don't. I'm not. I like tuna pizza.
I like pineapple and sweet corn.
I've never had a pineapple pizza, but apparently they're really good.
It's like the best pizza.
One day I will have to try it. Comment down below which pizzas you like. Okay, everybody is eating.
Definitely. Sometimes I like onion and pepper on it, but normally it's just pineapple and sweet corn as well.
Yeah.
That's unlike me with jack and potatoes though. I like to get everything I can on the jack and potatoes.
I think I'm gonna get a chef.
I might do that, but I'm gonna wait till I can upgrade loads. Otherwise, they're so slow. Like,
Yeah.
I can't get anything out.
Okay. Okay, I have a. Oh my god, she has pink hair. Okay, I have a chef. I'm just the waiter, so that's okay. I collect the money. Yes, money. I swear they only had it. They all want. Okay, start making, girl. It's so much easier.
Come on, pay me. Oh, you got so much money.
Oh, I do. I think
I've got more than
after these two people have left, like these two tables of people, I'm gonna like go to IKEA. They call it IKEA, not IKEA. Not copyright. Not copyright. And what I'm gonna do is like go get more tables.
So I might do in a bit, but then I don't want to get overwhelmed.
The trick is to close
Come
your.
on, pay me.
I've closed my
Look how
restaurant.
much money I have.
Whoa. I've closed my restaurant, so after these people come, nobody else can
Yeah,
come.
I closed mine as well.
We can go to.
I want an Italian chef.
Yeah, I got a girl. Look at my girl's hair. It's so nice. I forgot I was the waiter. You want a salad? I'm so used to having like waiters do it for me. But no.
Yay! I've got an Italian chef at level 3.
Yay. Oh, look out.
I don't know if the restaurant.
People are eating their salads.
And then open the restaurant. Great, so have you got a chef yet?
Yeah.
Oh, what level are they?
1. Well, what do you mean by level?
Like, what level are they? Because you can upgrade them to make the dishes faster.
They're level 1.
I do that always because otherwise it's so slow.
Yeah. Wait, how do you upgrade them? Oh.
You go on to...
Oh, okay, I upgraded mine to level 2.
Oh my gosh, there's a person that literally looks like my twin on here.
Oh my god. Oh yeah! We should make friends. Just like,
Okay,
hi.
I love how now over
Yeah.
you can just like click on them. It makes it for you.
Can these people hurry up and eat?
Yeah, so like eat and pay me. We'll say it faster. Although
Yeah.
it would be kind of hard to keep up with. Yeah, you're making food really fast for me. I forgot that. It's like intimidating how fast they cook food. Like, when I cook, it takes me a good half an hour, and the rest of you said 10 minutes, because otherwise I mess something up. Like, I'm okay at cooking, but I always forget an ingredient.
Are they gonna have
The
dessert
other
or
day
just
when I was
leave?
making stir fry, I forgot pepper.
Okay, I'm going to
Very sad.
IKEA. I'm at IKEA. Okay, so I need different tables.
Come on, eat your food and pay me.
I don't know what tables I want to get.
Yeah, you can get small tables with IKEA.
I think I'm gonna get small tables.
Yeah, get small ones, because then you don't... If you get, like, 1 or 2 people tables, then you don't have to, like, work with it. I'm going to close my restaurant now, but then not kick people out.